Ever feel like the top menu in Google Slides or Docs is eating up your screen space? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hide it and get a cleaner, more focused workspace, perfect for editing, presenting, or working on smaller screens. Start by opening Google Slides or Google Docs in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you have full access to your files and settings. Once you're signed in, open any presentation or document. Either create a new one or choose an existing file. Now let's hide that menu bar. At the top of your screen, you'll see the usual tabs and toolbar. There are two simple ways to collapse them. The first option is by clicking the small arrow or hide menus icon at the top right of the interface. When you click it, the entire menu bar disappears, leaving more room for your document or slides. But the fastest method is the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+Shift+F on Windows or Command+Shift+F if you're on a Mac. Hit those keys together and instantly your screen becomes more spacious with the menus tucked away. Need them back at any time? Just use the same shortcut again or click the arrow that appears at the top where the menu was. It's a quick toggle, perfect for switching between focus work and editing mode. This works the same way in both Google Slides and Google Docs, so you don't have to learn two different methods. Whether you're presenting, writing, or just tired of visual clutter, it's a 1-second fix that makes a big difference. If this tip helped you clean up your screen and work more efficiently, stick around for more practical guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next